So we have our M.2 drive installed in this beautiful MSI build. Let's go ahead, let's look at the benchmarking results. Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be checking out the MSI Spatium M450 PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 drive. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here, walking us through some of the content, tech specs, and features. So this is the 500 gigabyte version. They have multiple capacities available depending on your storage needs, and this does feature a 5-year warranty. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are the contents. First up, we have our product literature, going over some product info for installation. And then on the back, you can see they have the guide walking us through a couple of different charts and diagrams depending on the type of installation and drive that we're getting installed. And then you can see we have the drive itself right here. This is, again, the MSI Spatium M450 500 gigabyte version, clearly labeled for you on the front. Then we can flip it over to the back side, and you can see we have some additional product information for our drive. It's very thin, small, and compact, and they advertise read speeds up to 3,600 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 3,000 megabytes per second. So now let's go ahead, let's get this installed and try it out. So we have our M.2 drive installed in this beautiful MSI build. Let's go ahead, let's look at the benchmarking results. First up, using Crystal Disk Mark, we got a read score of 3,673.94 megabytes per second and a write score of 3,058.99 megabytes per second. Next up, using SSD, we got a read score of 2,713.52 megabytes per second and a write score of 2,541.46 megabytes per second. In line with that, Blackmagic gave us a write speed of 2,539.3 megabytes per second and a read speed of 2,626.3 megabytes per second. So well within range of what they advertise, but I will tell you that these speeds seem closer to PCIe 3.0 than PCIe 4.0 because a lot of 4.0 drives today can hit 5,000, 6,000, and 7,000 megabytes per second. But if you're upgrading from a disk drive or a regular 2.5-inch SSD, you're going to see a substantial speed improvement and performance with your machine.